Wow. I-set up mo doon banda sa gitna, mahal, para... Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Team Genobayes Vlog. Yan yung gagamitin mong instrument sa middle school. So, ayan guys, it's summer break na. Kagagraduate lang ni Miggy sa elementary school. So, as early as of now, bago mag-June, nagpe-prepare na kami para sa kanyang middle school. So, one of the preparation na kinakandak dito guys is yung kanilang activity or sport or music na sasalihan para sa middle school. And then, isa si Miggy sa mga napili na mga nag-audition for percussion. Ito yung instrument ni Miggy sa middle school. Ayos na ko. May lagayan pa na ko. Innovative percussion. Anong lagayan to ng? Yan? Yung mga gamit niya. Dito rin? Ganda. Ilang set ng drum yan? Isang ganyan lang? Bilog? Dalawang bilog?
Yes.
Naayos pa ni Papa. Ayos, ganda. Ayan, busy-busy yung asawa ko. Hello, mahal. Nag-receive kasi siya ng... Nag-receive siya ng order kasi wala siyang pasok. Maraming time. Hindi kasi birthday kasi nung family friend namin, ka-workmate ko si Ate Ann. Nag-order daw sa kanya. Wow, sarap.
Nag-order.
So, ni Papa yun eh.
Apat na yan.
Cordon bleu. Sarap niya na. Crispy sisig. And chop suey and lumpiang Shanghai. So, yan. Busy-busy si Papa. Bumili pala siya ng bagong... Anong tawag dito, mahal? Chop means? Chopper? Oh. Yan ang asawa ko pag nag-receive siya ng order. So, guys, pag walang pasok si Toto, malulutuan niya kayo. Sarap niyan, mahal Sarap po lumpia. Wow! Sarap talaga to guys. Luto ni Papa. Diba? Sarap. Ayan guys, naka-ready na for delivery. Di-deliver na to ni Papa. And ni Miggy. Ayan. So, once in a while, pag may time talaga si Toto, ina-accept naman yung mga order, guys. Pero pag busy talaga, wala. Ay, i-flex ko pala sa inyo yung aking Stanley. Yay! So, ito guys yung nakuha ko sa town hall. I think, twice a year, may town hall, meeting. So, may nagpaparaffle yung hospital namin. Last year, gift card yung napanalunan ko. Reward points. Ngayon, Stanley. Ang ganda niya. Parang limited edition lang yung color. It's a tumbler with 40 ounce. Ganda. Tulungan natin si Papa. Yeah. So, nag-deliver na siya. Ako na ito, man. Isa pa. Ano ito? Yeah.
Sarap naman, mainit.
Ang init na nga. Kaya...
Ang lamig na ito.
Huwag mo itapon. Wala kayo di-deliver. So, ayan. Magdi-deliver yung mag-ama ko. Bye, Miggy! Take care. Walang package. Walang package ah. Bye. Di-deliver sila. So, since uwi tayo ng Pilipinas, so ayan, namili ako ng konting bag sa Michael Kors. Ayan, nabudol na naman tayo. Ang ganda guys. Ang sarap dito mamili guys sa United States, lalo na original talaga. So ayan, budol is real. So ayan guys, naka-gift box pa to, pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko to iuwi ng Pilipinas kasi 'di ba mahigpit sila sa airport ngayon. So, ito yung gift box niya guys. Pag bumili kayo sa Michael Kors, may kasama na siyang gift box. Nakaseal na rin to, pero kailangan ko siyang i-unbox kasi hindi ko pwede itong dalhin sa Pilipinas na ganito kalaki yung mga boxes. So, hello guys. Today is Miggy's graduation from elementary 5th grade. So, we're currently here in Brookwood Forest Elementary School to attend their graduation ceremony.
So now we have a video to showcase our school year this year.
But it's absolute.
Certificate of Completion, Choir, UIL, 2 times, A and B honor roll all year. Christoph Genoveva, Certificate of Completion, Art, A and B honor roll all year. Ethan Gonzalez, Certificate of Completion. David Aloba, Certificate of Completion, Music, Perfect Attendance all year. Gretchen Jaeger, Certificate of Completion, UIL.
So as you were passing around, I give each of you this. This pin has our school logo and the year. It symbolizes your hard work, dedication, and all the wonderful memories that you have created here. It also means that you will be forever Bears. No matter where you go, you will always carry a piece of Brookwood Forest with you. Additionally, if of you have received a flower, a carnation, to give to your parents. This flower represents the gratitude and admiration for their unconditional support, love, and encouragement to all your elementary school journey. By giving them this carnation, you are acknowledging the important role that they have played on your success in the school and the appreciation that you have for their dedication. Remember, you will always have a home here at Brookwood Forest. Go forward with confidence, knowing that you are prepared to have an excellent journey at middle school. I am so proud to be your principal, and you know we have been practicing how to be ready for middle school because even though once you leave this building, you still represent Brookwood. I love you. Okay. Let me know with the Spanish word.